Welcome to our next class, students. Let's start with the next chapter, the solar system. See children, the solar system has sun, moon, star, minor planet, asteroids, comets and other heavenly bodies that you all are familiar with it. Clear? Then tick the correct option in each case. First one, dash is a huge cloud of the gas or dust found in the space between the stars, that is nebula. Clear? Dash is the closest star to sun, that you know, it is what? Sun. Now dash is the vast collection of the star, gas and dust spinning in space and held together by gravity, that is what? Galaxy. Black hole dash is the group of stars that together form a recognizable shape. You must have seen triangular shape in the sky. So with the recognizable shape, they are called constellation. Now dash are the lumps of the rock that orbit around the sun, that is what? Asteroids. Then dash is a streak of light in the night sky caused by the frictional heat of a piece of rock from space entering into the Earth's atmosphere. So this streak of light you must have seen. This is called meteors. Now Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called non-terrestrial or terrestrial. Beta, terrestrial planets are rocky planets. These all are rocky planets. So Ceres is the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. So earlier it was considered as a planet. Now we are not considering it. So this is the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. The atmosphere of the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune is primarily hydrogen, and which gas is there? Helium. Then Nicolaus Copernicus proved that all the planets in our solar system orbit around the sun. The solar system is located in Milky Way galaxy, that you all know. We all are living in Milky Way galaxy. Then Kuiper belt is a region in the solar system extending beyond the planet Neptune and believed to be place of the origin of many comets. See beta, this is a belt in which dust particles, clear, dust particles are there. This is a huge belt, clear, is a region in the solar system extending beyond the planet Neptune and believed to be place of the origin of many comets. Then dash is the largest moon of the Saturn and second largest moon in the solar system after Jupiter's moon. Okay, this is what? Titan. Earth's atmosphere is primarily has dash and oxygen, nitrogen and oxygen. Now the next chapter is health is wealth. You know that health is the general condition of a person's mind and body. Okay, underline this. A person is considered to be in good health if he is physically fit or disease free, with all the parts of his body working properly. Clear? Good food is essential for good health. However, too much of food is also harmful. Clear? We should take balanced diet. So balanced diet is the diet that contains adequate amount of the necessary nutrients required for the healthy growth and day-to-day activities. So this is the definition of balanced diet that you can underline. Clear? Now classify these food items by writing the list of letter of the nutrients next to them. For proteins, F; for fats, for proteins, P; F for fats, C for carbohydrates, V for vitamins and M for minerals. See, milk is rich source of protein, spinach rich source of vitamins, nuts rich source of fats, clear? Then potatoes rich source of carbohydrates. Next is eggs rich source of protein, butter fats. Okay, so these all you people are eating, that is rich source of minerals. Then after wheat, rice rich source of carbohydrates. Next beta, match these disease with the part of the body they affect. Cholera, clear? It affects small intestine. Then caries, you know that this is the disease of teeth. Eczema is the disease of skin. Okay, conjunctivitis is the disease of eyes. Alzheimer's disease, it is the disease of brain. Jaundice, the disease of liver. Then scurvy is the disease of gums, clear? And then pneumonia is the disease of lungs. Then the next chapter, net terms. Nowadays all of you are using net, clear? So you must be familiar with all these terms, clear? So underline this. Net is the global computer network providing various information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected network using the standardized communication protocols. So It is a computer system that hosts website. You know that it is what? Web server. It is a name given to the temporary storage area that a web browser use to store pages, graphics that it has recently opened. Catchy. The term HTTP that you must have seen in the link they are sending, it is what? Hypertext Transfer Protocols. It is a smaller computer program designed to add capabilities to a large piece of server software, that is what? Servlet. It is a program of the piece code that spread by first infecting files on the system areas of computer or network routers hard drive and then making copies of itself. This is what? Virus. All of you are familiar with the term virus. It is a computer network limited to the immediate area, usually the same building or floor of the building. It is LAN. See beta, for this they may ask you define servlet. To define servlet, clear? So you have to go through the brief introduction, clear? So in between you can write the answer in your own words also. It is a device that allows us to send commands to a computer somewhere else, terminal. It is copying or transferring data of a program from one known computer into the memory of another computer, that is what? Upload. Used with reference to the World Wide Web, meaning a single request from the web browser for a single item for web server, it is what? What it is? HIT. Clear? Web-based system for searching the information available on the web, that is what? Search engine. Underline this also. The internet was started in the late 1960s and American's military project. So underline this also. Next is President of India. Presidents of India. All of you are familiar with these faces. Clear? And you have to identify. They may ask you the question, write the presidents of India according to their work of services. Clear? According to their services, you have to arrange them. Okay. So who he is? He is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who he is? He is, yes, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay. Next is who he is? Zakir Hussain. Then the next is V.V. Giri. Okay. Then next, this is what? Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Then the next is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Then this, who he is? He is Gyani Jail Singh. Then the next is, this one is Ramaswamy Venkatraman. The next is Shankar Dayal Sharma. Then the next one is, you can see here, K.R. Narayanan. Then you all are familiar, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who she is? She is Pratibha Patil. Then the next is, all of you are familiar again, Pranab Mukherjee. And then this is the present president name. Who he is? He is, yes. So all of you are familiar. He is Ramnath Kovind. Next is Indian Constitution. Clear? So this chapter we will continue in our next video. Till then, children, stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you.